It's safe to say that after the first round of eliminations, Aurora Gaming is the team to beat after 4 weeks. You know what time it is? Hands in. Nawala na naman yung tripod ko, so hawak ko na naman yung phone ko. Anyway, going back to my topic, a lot of people are probably saying na, hindi, wala, maaga pa yung season. Hindi, wala, magpapangit din yung performance niyan. But you have to respect what they did from weeks 1 to 4. Dude, like, can you even imagine doing all of that? How ironic, no, that they're currently 6-1, and the only time that they lost from weeks 1 to 4 was against Team Falcons. A team that's currently at the bottom of the standings, at yun ang kanilang kaisa-isang panalo this season. But I have to say that this team really is on a roll. Compared to week 1, you constantly see improvements from weeks 2, 3, and 4. May isang punto pa nga kahapon na nakasavage si UA. So obviously, this is a moment para sa Aurora. They're at the pace of this team's trajectory na parang meron talaga silang gustong patunayan. Sure, malakas sila sa regular season. Some people are gonna be expecting na bababa yung kalidad ng gameplay nila from weeks 5 to 8. Pero sigurado naman ako na alam na nila yun. And they are on the verge to consistently prove not to the people who doubt them, but to themselves that this can be their season. Kasi grabe ang laruan ni Edward ngayon. Tominka, it's actually on point. Like, the team is really gelling well together. And at some point, hindi ako magugulat kung naging team of the week na naman sila. But honestly, for their haters, you're gonna have to respect what they did. It's no joke being 6-1.